Well, I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you're tired of your RT looking like this, or you might be tired of it looking like this right here, or maybe even this. Well, today we're gonna take those RTs to the next level. I would first like to start this video out by saying I appreciate everybody who's been liking, commenting, and all that great stuff on the videos and just supporting the channel in general. I don't take any of that for granted. I really appreciate the support. I think we're at like 180 plus subscribers right now, which I never thought in a million years would happen. All I can say is thank you. Let's continue to go up, and I'm gonna try and bring y'all better and better videos the better I get at it. All right, let's get into it. The first thing on the list is wheels and tires. It's arguably one of the first things people notice about your car is your wheels and tires. I personally this is the first thing I did as soon as I got my car. I actually had the wheels and tires before I got the car, I believe. But I personally run box Hellcat replicas. I have descriptions for everything down below in the description box. I personally run box Hellcat replicas, and these tires that I found on Amazon, those are down in the link too. The wheel sizes are 20 by 9 in the front on my car, and it's like 20 by 10 on the back, and 275s in the front, 315s in the back. It's one of the first things I did because honestly, the stock wheels that come on these cars, trash, garbage. Go ahead and get rid of them. But if that's what you like, then stick with that then. I personally didn't like them, so I just went ahead and changed them out. But yeah, that's number one on the list. Wheels and tires. Number two on the list is going to be, which is, I believe this mile right here is gonna set your car, your RT apart from the average Scat Pack, the average Hellcat, the average GT. It's gonna be lowering springs. I think that's like the second thing I did to the car is lowering springs. When you get these cars off the lots, they sit like freaking Jeep Rubicons. Damn, they sit like monster trucks, and it's honestly disgusting, the wheel gap on these cars. I don't know why Dodge did that. I know they came back later with the I guess it's the RT Plus package that you can get on these cars with the Alcantara seats, the Brembos and all that. But I think even on the cars without that package, they could at least put the stock Scat Pack springs on here. So definitely go get you some lowering springs, because the ones that come on here, the springs that come on here, garbage, trash. Yeah, that's number 2 on the list though. All right, number 3 on the list. Go get you a Wicker Bill for sure. The Wicker Bill is the extension off the back of the spoiler. If your car has a spoiler, I know some SXTs and GTs. Some of those cars come with some weird spoilers. But I think they got like 3-piece Wicker Bills for those 3-piece spoilers on some of those cars. But I think the Wicker Bill is definitely a look enhancer. It's a 10 out of 10 in my book. It's like the third thing I did to my car. I know it's kind of cliche, but you can't argue that it doesn't look. It looks good. It looks really good. I personally run a ZL1 add-ons Wicker Bill. I looked at everybody else's. I just like the shape. I like the look of the ZL1 myself personally. I got some links down in the description for Vicrez and the one I got on my car. You can go look at those, choose what you want, get what you like, get what you want to pay for. The next visual mod, I think this is number 3 or 4, one of them. The next one is what is it? A rear diffuser. Don't mind me, I'm looking at my iPad, which I got all the notes on them. I'm sorry. But rear diffuser. I think that's a 10 out of 10 mod instantly. As long as your car is already lowered on wheels, I personally wouldn't put a Wicker Bill on a stock car like straight out the gate. That's my personal opinion. You do whatever you want with the car you pay for or whoever pays for. I personally would wait until I have wheels, tires, because I still haven't got mine yet. I'm probably gonna go with one from Vicrez, which is linked down in the description below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it on that one. Like I said, get you some wheels first. Get you DeLorean springs first, and then everything else kind of fall into place on that one. DeLorean springs, I'm trying to tell you, is really important. It's like the glue to the whole equation. You really need DeLorean springs, seriously. All right, number 5. Number 5 for me is Taillight and side marker tint. I think those are big because those big red orange things on the side of your car, I personally find ugly. I think I waited way too late to get this mod down. I was just being lazy and didn't want to install it myself because I knew I would mess it up. I did. I messed it up really horribly, but nobody can really tell unless you're up on the car and you know what you're looking at. So do what you can do. If you can install it yourself, go for it. If you can't, go pay somebody. I would try to do it myself if I was you. But it's gonna give you a car. It's gonna give you a car that stealthy look, like the tinted tail lights and the tinted side markers. And I think that's it, family. I think that's it. I don't have anything else. Oh, a little bonus one. Debadge, when you get that taillight tint, take the chrome Dodge letters off the taillight and take those take the splitter guards off too, please, for the sake of everybody. Take the yellow things off the front of your car. It looks crazy, and I really can't even talk like that because I had them on my car for an extremely long time. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was playing into the culture, but once I finally took them off, I was like, why did I have these on here? And then it left really ugly scratches on the front of my car. So yeah, take those off, please. But that's it. If y'all got anything to add to this list, leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.